I will see Panjim through their brains. And it is that that all of us should join together as far as Panjim is concerned. And let us cross this mark. And let us go forward and join together for development of Panjim. So I would like to tell you that this time in 2017 election, I will be a candidate from Panjim also. I always wanted to fight actually Mr. Monserratte, and I wish that Delhi government sent him back here to fight election so that I could fight him. And I was always confident that I will defeat Parikar. I will defeat Parikar for one simple reason. I always say, where qualification is concerned, he may be the best. But where development is concerned, I am the best. Now actually it was a golden opportunity for the BJP. We had in fact last time also when our panel was there, last term we had given in the hands of the BJP for 1 year when Shubham was a mayor. We gave them basically an opportunity to develop Panjim. Although we had the mandate, we gave, but basically nothing. In fact, these people sold the municipality to JSIs. They had sent Sanjit specially. He was basically on a transit to work to get all the funds as far as CCP is concerned and to get to JSIs. Now I say that JSIDC has become nothing, but it has become like a Mahalakshmi trust because they are using this as their trust. You all have seen, I think whoever was born 25 years back when Parikar was elected as MLA, he has seen nothing. He must have seen, he must be crying, and he must be seeing that what basically when he was a child and till today, that Panjim has become from good, bad to worse. So let us now change that, and let us make Panjim one of the best cities in our country. And I assure you that as far as development is concerned, I will not let the people of Panjim down. And 25 years is a long time. I would request the people of Panjim that now it is a time for change. Let us change. Give me an opportunity for 5 years. I have got a history behind me. I am a fellow who would basically deliver whatever I promise. They are always saying when you get married, basically you make a vow that I am there, I will be there, faithful to you during your good times and bad. I assure this to the people of Panjim that I will be there with them during the good times and the bad. The rumors were going around town basically challenging our own people by saying that Babush is not going to contest. And they always say, no, it is as Mr. Rahul said. They say that always you should hear from the horse's mouth. So horses here standing in front of you. And I would like to tell you, now is the time for you basically to shut everyone else's mouth. Whoever tells you that I am not going to contest, I am here to contest. I am here to contest. And with your support, I am sure that I will be the next MLA of Panjim.
The other day I told Mr. Babush that the moment he is the MLA of Panjim, he has to do first thing. Smart city and Amrut has to come back to CCP, and then you see the change and result will be done fatafat. Once again, तुमको सगळ्यांक बरें देव बरें म्हणटा तुमी सगळे हांगा आयले आनी अशेंच आमी सगळ्यांनी जोरान काम करूया. सिग्नल ऑलरेडी गेल्ले आसा
आनी हांव जाणा एक उतर डेव्हलपमेंटाचे काडप म्हणजे फाटीक लागून डेव्हलपमेंट जायसो तेका सूख लागना. हे हांव एश्युअर दिवंक शकता कोणाकूय जे तो उलयता ते करून दाखयता. पुरे जावना हे सारके नल्लाचो प्रॉब्लेम तसोच आहा, गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम तसोच आहा, आनीक दुसरो पार्किंग प्रॉब्लेम, हे तिनूय मेन सारके प्रॉब्लेम तशेंच आहा. आनी हे शुअर हे विजन असले हे सॉल्व करपाक प्रॉब्लेम बाबुशाक आसा हे म्हज्या खात्रेन सांगूं जाता.